So what does it mean for a tangent line, or for a line to be tangent to a curve? Well, if I go ahead and I draw a curve here, what it means to be tangent is that at any point here, so say I want to choose this point here, tangent line would go and it would model the slope of what's going on there, and it would go on forever, and it's just a line like that. If I were to choose a point here, it would change, the tangent line would look slightly different, and it would look something like this. So basically what it's doing is it's a line that models the slope at any given point on the curve. It would be able to describe what's happening right in that little area.